channel Let's Talk Procurement. Always learn and talk supply chain. This is very important. And today I get for you another topic, the blockchain. Did you ever hear about the blockchain? If not, then we will discuss shortly in very short video so you will understand what is a blockchain. And I will make another video for you what is a blockchain role in the supply chain of procurement. So blockchain is like a digital ledger, a record keeping system that's secure, transparent and decentralized. Instead of storing the data in the one place that is no longer. This ledger is shared across the network of computer. Each transaction is recorded in a block and linked to the previous block, forming a chain here. Hence, that is a blockchain. How does it work? Whenever any new transaction happens, it is verified by the multiple computer or transaction is added to the block and permanently saved. The data is encrypted, making it nearly impossible to alter or change. Where the blockchain is used, it is used in the cryptocurrency like bitcoins, maybe you heard about this one, supply chain management, the transportation transparency, and tracking goods. For example, you're getting the tracking detail and you can make access that how the movement of the parcels. This is the part of the blockchain example. It's a completely transparency and the data cannot be altered or rarely can be hacked. Smart contract for the automated agreements. It is widely used in the healthcare industry to secure the patient data. Blockchain is more than crypto. It's a game changer for many industries. Want more techniques inside? Please subscribe the button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe the button and put notification on, so any video I will upload you will get the notification, and this will help and boost your knowledge and information about the supply chain process. Thank you for watching.